Hey, it's Sunday, and I got a new microphone. To celebrate, I'm going to be doing a bunch of random sound effects using nothing but my mouth. Sound effect 1, chirping bird. Sound effect 2, a waterfall. You emerge from the woods, and like you're back in the woods, and you hear, and you emerge. You go, and then it's like. Sound effect 4, a goat baaing, if that's even a term. Sound effect 5, schwam. Schwam! Sound effect 6, boop. 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 Sound effect 7, bam. Okay, these are just like onomatopoeia. Don't worry, we'll get more specific sooner or later. If you don't know what it means, look it up. Done. Bam! 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 Bam. Here we go. Constipated monkey riding on a motorcycle while on the back of a whale. A pregnant duck. And that is life, kids. A sudden slamming of a mahogany door. Not just any old slamming of a door. It is the sudden slamming of a mahogany door. A snake slithering through grass. Cats fighting. She was my girlfriend. Jumping into a pool. That was really fun. I'm honestly glad that you guys have been watching me this long. Thanks to all 45 of you who are subscrizzled. And I'm glad I got a new mic. Soon it's going to be a new camera. Just bear with me. Bear. Haha, I added another sound effect. Bet you didn't expect that, now did you? Anyways, always remember that it's not bacon if the pork hasn't been rolled correctly in the mud. You'll see me soon. I have a shout out that I would like to proclaim, and I proclaim this shout out to Autumn Proudfoot. You can't see it? No, wait. I can't see it, but you can. Unless you can't see it, then you can't. But if you can, you're special. You will be the next giver.